Ikaw laging tapat kong magmahal. Ang iyong kaawa ay magpawalang hanggan. Pinupuri, sinasamba kita.
If you love God, share this video with a friend. Write amen and hope for a miracle for you and your family. Mark 12:30-31 says, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind and with all your strength." The second is this: love your neighbor as yourself. There is no commandment greater than these.